Hello students, in today's video we are going to identify the birds from your book Sparkle, page number 48 and 49. You can see here there are a few birds, okay? Pictures of a few birds with their name. Let's identify them. Here, the first one. The first picture is an owl, O-W-L, owl. The name of the bird is owl. This is parrot. This is parrot. The name of the bird is parrot. Here, the third one, pigeon. This bird is pigeon. Number 4, crow. This bird is crow. Students, parrot is green in color and its beak is red. Crow is black in color. We can see commonly pigeon and crow around our home. Okay? In the next page, this bird is duck. This bird is duck. D for duck. This is penguin. This bird is penguin. This bird is peacock. Peacock is the most colorful bird and it is also the national bird of India. Peacock. This is peacock. This is eagle. This bird is eagle. And here the last picture is vulture. This bird is vulture. So students, here are pictures of a few birds with their names. So look at your book, identify the birds and also identify the national bird of India. The national bird of India is peacock. Yes. So practice this at home, students. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.